Today we're going to be looking at 3D shapes, just noticing what they have in common, what makes them alike, and we are going to start with, I just have some shapes here. A pantry is an awesome place to look for shapes. So I have a cylinder here and a rectangular prism here. So I know that this shape is made up of rectangles, right? I know that this shape, if I looked at the net, remember how we laid out nets to make in class? It would be made up of two circles and a rectangle. So if you think about what do these shapes have in common, the only thing they have in common is that they both have a rectangle in their shape. Now, if I look up at these two shapes, I could say here are the things that they have in common. If I look at them, they both are cylinders. When you lay them on a flat surface, they both roll, so you can do that. They're both 3D objects. They both take up space, so when we're just looking at putting shapes in categories, these would go together. Now, I have this box and this. What do they have in common? Because they're not exactly the same shape, right? So this one is has a little different top, but the same, if you look at the base, they're both made of squares. So if I wanted to compare these two shapes, I could say they're both 3D and they both have a square base. So when you are putting your shapes in different categories, you can use language like that and see what they have in common to make them go in that exact spot. So, all right, guys, have a good one.